Namaskara, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. So today we are doing the continuing part, the second part of the Vruksha Saakshi. If you have not watched the part 1 of a Vruksha Saakshi, please check the link given above and please watch the part 1 of the Vruksha Saakshi. Then you can come to the part 2 of the Vruksha Saakshi. So this is a lesson from 10th standard Siri Kannada textbook. We'll start with the part 2. I hope you have understood the part 1. Part 1 alli enaitu, the Dharma Buddhi, he cheated Dushta Buddhi, he cheated the Dharma Buddhi and he put the thief, he put the robbery, the claim on the Dharma Buddhi. So what happened next? So we'll learn that in the second part. So please textbook tagoli, follow the lines, take a pencil, erasers, keep with you, place your wear earphones and sit in a quiet place. We'll start with the lesson, second part. So I hope you know where we have left. So after 4 lines of that poem, we have left there. So we'll start. Antu dushta buddhi munname ha ha kettenendu bayam basiram poidu kondu. So Antu dushta buddhi munnave, before itself the dushta buddhi, he started shouting ha ha kettenendu, I am gone. Bayam basiru, so he is just shouting and he is just shouting very loudly. Bayi badkonta idane, he is just ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಬಾಯಿ ಬಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು means he is shouting loudly and he is creating a scene over there. Bayam basiram, basiru ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. he is slapping on his face, he is slapping on his stomach and he is telling, oh I am gone, my wealth is gone, my money is gone, Dharma Buddhi, he cheated on me ಅಂತ he is shouting, he is creating a scene over there. Who? Dushta Buddhi. Okay. ಪೊಯ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಪೊಯ್ಲಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂದರೆ ಬೊಬ್ಬೆ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಶೌಟಿಂಗ್, ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸೀನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬೊಬ್ಬೆ ಹಾಕು. ಧರ್ಮ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಳವನ್, ಸೊ ಹಿ ಪುಟ್ ದ ಚೀಟಿಂಗ್, ದ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಸೀನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಏನಂತಾರೆ he lied about the Dharma Buddhi, then he put that robbery claim on the Dharma Buddhi, Kalavan. Ittu Kapu, Kaparedu, Katarisi. He wanted to protect himself. Kapu andre protect. He wanted to protect himself by putting that claim on the Dharma Buddhi. Okay. Kaparedu, Katarisi, Nudiye, Tat. கூர்மை கிடல் நுடிது நீங்கள் பாய் அர்த்துபோகள் படிய விசாரம் கேவம். So he'll tell, so whatever it happened between our friendship, we have to do something for this, we have to get justice for this from the people ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, so ಎಂದು ಧರ್ಮಾಧಿಕರಣರಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು, he came to the ಧರ್ಮಾಧಿಕರಣ means the leader or the king. So what he told Dushta Buddhi, see in our friendship ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂರ್ಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ನೇಹ, in the friendship ಕೆಡಲ್ ನುಡಿದು, so something bad happened, you told lie to me, you already took the wealth from me, so I can't live just like that. This one I have to get the justice anta heli, he'll create a scene, he'll keep shouting and they will go to ಧರ್ಮಾಧಿಕರಣ, the leader or the king. ಧರ್ಮಾಧಿಕರಣರಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಇರ್ವರುಂ ತತ್ ಪ್ರಪಂಚಂ ಎಲ್ಲಮಂ ಸವಿಸ್ತರಂ ನುಡಿದು, irvarum, both of them, tat prapancham yellamam. So whatever happened in that situation, in that place, in prapancham, okay, savistaravagi andre vistaravagi, clear, detailed, explained detailedly what and how happened, where they went for a business, they came up with a lot of wealth and they made a agreement, they hide the honno, and Dushta Buddhi, he cheated on the Dharma Buddhi and he told Dharma Buddhi, he took all the wealth and he will tell. So they tell all these things to Dharmadhikari. Okay. Kadadol savistaravam nudidu kadayol Dushta Buddhi intu yandam. So finally the Dushta Buddhi, he will tell like this. Just make a mark, okay? So after 4 lines you can make a mark, okay? I'll just make a mark. Okay. Now we'll read it. ಅಂತುಂ ದುಷ್ಟಬುದ್ಧಿ ಮುನ್ನಮೇ ಹಾ ಕೆಟ್ಟೆನೆಂದುಂ ಬಾಯಂಬ ಸಿರುಂ ಪೊಯ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಪೊಯ್ಲಿಟ್ಟು ಧರ್ಮ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಳವನಿಟ್ಟು ಪರೆದು ಕಾತರಿಸಿ ನುಡಿಯೇ ತತ್ ಕೂರ್ಮೆ ಕಿಡಳ್ ನುಡಿದು ನೀಂ ಬಾಯಾರ್ದು ಪೋಗಳ್ಳೆಡೆಯ ವಿಚಾರಂಗೈವೆಮೆಂದು ಧರ್ಮಾಧಿಕರಣರಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ವರು ತತ್ ಪ್ರಪಂಚಮೆಲ್ಲಮಂ ಸವಿಸ್ತರಂ ನುಡಿದು ಕಡೆಯೋಳ್ ದುಷ್ಟ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಎಂತೆಂದಂ. Stop there. Okay, so what happened next? So Dharma Buddhi and Dushta Buddhi, they both came to Dharmadhikarana, and Dushta Buddhi, he told everything what and all happened, and finally Dushta Buddhi, he will tell something. So what he will tell? He'll tell Ponnam Yellaman Eetaman Kaledukonda. So every wealth he has taken. Eetamam Kaledukonda. Adarke Saakshi untu. For that I have a witness. Saakshi untu. Yene Sabhasadar Sakshayam Pel. So Sabhasadare, the members here, please listen the Saakshi. Listen to the Saakshi witness. Yene Ponnam Maduguvagal. Eetanum Anum Allade Manushya Perar Illa. And again give a mark there. He'll tell, when we are keeping the wealth there near the tree, so near which tree? Mahavatavita Piya. Mahavatavita Pi. Okay. When they were keeping a wealth near that big tree, so he'll tell, Eetanum Anum. So he and myself bitre. Allade Manusha Berar illa. There were no other people around the tree when we kept the wealth there. Anta heltane. So we'll read it now together. You have a comma, so just mark near the comma that one more line. Okay. ಪೊನ್ನಮಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಈತನೇ ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯುಂಟನೆ ಸಭಾಸದರ್ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯುಂ ಪೇಳನೆ பொன்னம் மடகுவாகள் ஈத்தனும் ஆனும் அல்லதே வேறாரும் மனுஷ்யர் பெருல்லா ஈத்தனும் நானும் அல்லதே மனுஷ்யர் ಬೇರರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. There were no other human beings near the place when we kept the wealth there. Tat sannidhana sthitam. So in that place, sannidhana andre in that place, in that situation, in that place. Apavata vrukshave saakshi, vrukshame saakshi embudum. In that place, whatever the apatavata vruksha was there, apavata vruksha, so the big huge tree which was there when we kept the wealth, that tree itself is a witness for that. Anta Hilton. Who? Dushta Buddhi. So he'll tell tat sannidhana sthitamapa vadavrukshamē sakshayambudum dharmadikaranam karanar vismayam pattu eetana maatu. So when he says the tree itself is a witness, dharmadikarana, the leader, the king, will become very surprised because he wants to know how the tree can be witnessed. The tree, it cannot speak, it cannot do anything. It can just stand there. So how the tree can be witnessed? So that was the surprise element for the Dharmadhikarana. Okay. Pattu Eetana Matu Ashrutapurmam. It's very surprising. Ashrutapurmam is a very surprising. E Chodyamam Nodamam. Chodya is Adbhuta, the wonder. Let us see this wonder. Yandu Dharma Buddhiyum Karedu. He'll call Dharma Buddhi and he'll tell. So Dharmadhikarana, he told, as this Dushta Buddhi, he told, the tree itself is a witness. Dharmadhikarana, he will become very surprised and he told, this is never gonna happen because the tree is never gonna witness. It is never gonna tell what happened there. So we have to see this wonder, what is going to happen there. And really, so he'll call Dharma Buddhi and he'll tell, E Sakshayam kai kolvudu yandode. So are you ready for this witness? Atam, so he will tell, the Dharma Buddhi will tell, Vruksam Sakshayamdum Munnam Peruldum Kelurdum illa. So he will tell, I have never heard the tree will be witnessing, tree will be telling a justice anywhere in the past, or I don't even think that I will see in the future too anta he will tell. So everyone, they got to know a hint that this dushta buddhi is making something, so but they don't know what exactly. So this is what happens in till here. So we'll just read this, just make a write the last 3 lines. After that we'll stop the part 2. Okay. ತತ್ಸನ್ನಿಧಾನಸ್ಥಿತಂ ತತ್ಸನ್ನಿಧಾನಸ್ಥಿತಮಪ್ಪವಟ ವೃಕ್ಷಮೇ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಎಂಬುದು ಧರ್ಮಾಧಿಕರಣರ್ ವಿಸ್ಮಯಂ ಬಟ್ಟು ಈತನ ಮಾತು ಅಶ್ರುತಪೂರ್ವಮೀ ಚೋದ್ಯಮಂ ನೋಡವೆಂಬೆಂದುಂ ಧರ್ಮ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯುಂ ಕರೆದು ನೀನೀ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಂ ಕೈಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದುಂ ಎಂದೊಡೆ ಆತಂ ವೃಕ್ಷ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯೆಂದುಂ ಮುನ್ನಂ ಪೇಳ್ದಿರುಂ ಕೇಳ್ದರುಮಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ he will tell. So this is in the second part. So what happens in the second part? Dushta buddhi, dharma buddhi, they both go to the dharmadhikarana, and dushta buddhi, dharma buddhi, they both tell in detail what and all happened. Then dushta buddhi will tell, when we kept the wealth there was no people, there were only myself and him were there in the place, and for that the witness is the big tree, the vata vruksha. So the dharmadhikarana will become very surprised for this, and he will tell this wonder that the tree is gonna witness this. So he will ask dharma buddhi, are you ready for this witnessing? So dharma buddhi, he'll tell, I don't have any other options, I have to witness this because I have never seen in my life that the tree is gonna witness. I've never seen in the past, and I don't know, I'm gonna see in the future also anta he will say. So this is about the part 2. So what happens after this? So did they go to the tree? What happened near the tree? What and all the dharmadhikarana told, dushta buddhi did, and the dharma buddhi did, we'll see in the next part. I hope you have understood. Doubt idre comment section alli comment ಮಾಡಿ. I have tried to make it more and more easier for you. I have given the meaning for mostly all the words, and try to read it as slow as possible. It will be easy for you. So I'll meet you all with a part 3 anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ. Thank you so much for following. Share ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, and subscribe to the channel ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ. Thank you so much. I'll meet you in the part 3 of Vruksha Saakshi. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is being there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is being mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks, it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.